Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If your counter space is super tiny and you want more room, then the solution you're looking for is this mat from Top It. I am so delighted with how well this works. My husband and I are full-time RVers, and our bathroom vanity is quite tiny, very, very little counter space. And so having this silicone mat go over the top of the sink and being able to place my hair care products, makeup, even tools that I use for hair care, like my flat iron that gets up to 450 degrees, this can withstand that temperature and it fits so many things on top of it. We have a 16-inch square sink and this can accommodate that and more. You can see that even though it's bigger than my sink, it just fits a little bit inside and then forms a very sturdy platform. This is amazing. The silicone is really strong, sturdy, and easy to clean, and this black color just looks fabulous in my bathroom. When I'm done with it, I just roll it up and tuck it underneath my vanity, and it takes up very little space. This, of course, works perfect in a small bathroom, but even if you just want more counter space in a large bathroom, this is the way to go. I absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.